Why are some of the world's most dangerous fake dollars made in Peru? Imagine a secret facility producing fake US dollars so convincing they can fool banks, businesses, and even governments. Deep inside Peru, criminals have perfected the art of counterfeiting, creating billions in counterfeit currency. Today, we're going inside this shadowy world to reveal the methods, technology, and secrets of the underground dollar factory. 1. The rise of counterfeiting in Peru. Counterfeiting has long been a problem in Peru, fueled by economic instability and organized crime. While fake local currency has always existed, counterfeit US dollars became especially lucrative. Criminal networks discovered that the US dollar is widely accepted in Peru, making it a prime target for high-value counterfeiting. These networks set up secret facilities, often hidden in warehouses, basements, or remote locations, replicating the exact size, color, and texture of genuine bills. Advanced techniques allow counterfeiters to mimic the feel of real money, from raised ink to holograms, fooling even trained eyes. Over time, Peru became notorious as a hub for high-quality fake dollars. The combination of skilled artisans, modern printing technology, and sophisticated criminal networks turned these operations into miniature industrial factories capable of producing millions of dollars in counterfeit currency monthly. 2. The secret factory setup. Inside a typical dollar printing facility, every detail is engineered to produce realistic currency. These factories are carefully hidden, often behind unmarked doors or disguised as legitimate businesses, like printing shops or warehouses. Security is strict. Guards, cameras, and restricted access keep outsiders away. Once inside, the operation resembles a legitimate printing factory. Counterfeiters use high-resolution digital printing machines, precision paper cutters, and presses capable of mimicking the intricate designs of real dollars. Special paper is imported or chemically treated to match the thickness, weight, and texture of US bills. Color matching is crucial. Sophisticated inks replicate the subtle green, black, and metallic shades of real currency. Some operations even reproduce security features like watermarks, microprinting, and color-shifting ink, making the bills harder to detect. Counterfeiters often work in teams, each specializing in a part of the process: printing, embossing, quality control, and packaging. Every bill is inspected before being circulated to ensure it meets the high standard of realism necessary to avoid detection by banks and businesses. 3. Advanced technology in counterfeiting. Modern counterfeiters in Peru have embraced technology that rivals legitimate printing companies. Digital imaging allows them to scan real bills and reproduce high-resolution details down to the microprint. Holographic techniques simulate security strips, while UV reactive inks mimic features visible under blacklight. Some factories even experiment with special presses and embossing tools that give fake bills the raised texture of authentic US currency. The level of precision is so advanced that even seasoned cashiers can struggle to identify counterfeits without specialized detection equipment. Software and digital tools help maintain consistent quality. Color calibration systems ensure inks remain accurate, while automated cutters produce perfectly sized bills every time. Even folding and packaging are handled systematically to make the bills appear naturally circulated. The combination of craftsmanship and technology allows these operations to produce millions of dollars worth of counterfeit currency per month, feeding a black market that spans continents. Peru's factories have become a model of precision for counterfeit operations worldwide. 4. Distribution networks. Printing fake dollars is only half the challenge. Distributing them is equally complex. Criminal networks rely on layers of intermediaries to move counterfeit bills from factories to buyers. These networks often include money launderers, street dealers, and corrupt businesses willing to exchange fake bills for real money. Some counterfeit dollars are used locally, while others are smuggled internationally, reaching neighboring countries or even U.S. cities. Methods include hidden compartments in vehicles, courier shipments, and underground banking systems. Distribution networks are carefully managed. Bills are circulated gradually to avoid detection, often mixed with real currency to minimize suspicion. This intricate system ensures that even if authorities uncover part of the operation, the larger network remains operational. The combination of production and distribution shows how organized crime in Peru has industrialized counterfeiting, turning fake currency into a highly profitable large-scale enterprise. 5. Economic and social impact. Counterfeit dollars have significant economic consequences. They undermine trust in currency, create losses for businesses, and can even destabilize local economies. Banks, retailers, and governments are forced to implement expensive detection measures, increasing operational costs. On a social level, counterfeiting contributes to crime. Profits from fake currency fund drug trafficking, human trafficking, and other illegal activities, creating a cycle of criminal enterprise that affects communities across Peru and beyond. Despite law enforcement efforts, the high demand for US dollars, combined with advanced printing techniques, keeps counterfeiting a persistent problem. Every fake bill circulating reduces the public's confidence in currency, highlighting how underground operations can have ripple effects far beyond the factory walls. 6. Law enforcement challenges. Peru's law enforcement faces enormous challenges in combating counterfeit currency. Factories are well hidden, technologically advanced, and guarded by criminal networks. Raids require extensive intelligence, coordination, and careful planning. Even when factories are discovered, counterfeiters often move equipment or relocate operations quickly, making long-term disruption difficult. Advanced detection technology is also required. Basic counterfeit detection methods often fail against high-quality fake bills. International cooperation is essential. Agencies like the U.S. Secret Service, Interpol, and local police coordinate to track cross-border movement of counterfeit dollars. Despite these efforts, enforcement remains a cat-and-mouse game, with criminals constantly adapting to evade capture. The sophisticated nature of these operations makes Peru a global hub for high-quality counterfeit currency, showing how modern crime combines technology, logistics, and human expertise to operate undetected for long periods. 7. How fakes are detected. Detecting fake dollars requires technology and vigilance. Banks and authorities use UV lights, magnification, and automated scanning machines to spot subtle differences in ink, paper, and security features. Some fake bills are discovered because of minor flaws in printing, misaligned features, or incorrect weight. Others are caught by advanced software that analyzes patterns and compares bills to a database of authentic currency. Cashiers, merchants, and financial institutions are trained to spot irregularities, such as unusual texture, color discrepancies, or incorrect holographic strips. Even minor errors can reveal a counterfeit operation. Despite high-tech counterfeiting, these detection methods help authorities track patterns, identify networks, and eventually dismantle factories. Vigilance combined with technology is the key to fighting industrial-scale counterfeiting in Peru and globally. 8. The human element. Behind the machines are skilled artisans and technicians. Counterfeit operations rely on human expertise to ensure precision, consistency, and quality control. From printing and embossing to cutting and packaging, every bill requires careful attention. Workers often undergo secretive training, learning to operate high-tech equipment while maintaining secrecy. They understand that even a minor mistake can expose the entire operation. The human element is also visible in the distribution network. Couriers, money launderers, and street-level dealers all play a role in moving counterfeit currency safely. Without skilled individuals, even the most advanced machines would fail to produce and circulate believable fake dollars. This blend of human skill, technology, and organization transforms counterfeit operations from small-scale scams into industrial-scale criminal enterprises, highlighting the complexity of modern underground economies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.